Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the URVNS 380W 7-port fast charging station. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get the box open here, you'll see plug, outlet plug, and of course a stand for this, and then just a simple user manual. Always read these fully, get an idea of what it's capable of. And then finally, inside the box, you'll have your, trying to give you the full view. As you can see, the different USB-Cs have different wattage capabilities, and then a USB-A 3.0. So real simple. You're just going to plug this in, and we'll show a couple different items being charged. All right, so I've got it plugged in and just want to show, I'm zooming in as much as I can here to try and show the wattage that's going to be coming out. So this is a iPhone 16 that I'm going to connect here, and I've got you zoomed in so you kind of see. Again, that it's just connected to my phone, and you'll see it kind of amp up its wattage speeds. I'm going to let it charge up for a bit, and that'll fluctuate between anywhere from 13 to 15 for a phone typically. So we're going to try this on a Microsoft tablet here. And again, we're just going to let this thing kick in. And as you can see, it already starts at a much higher speed. We'll let it ramp up. All right, and that peaked at about 35 as well, and I think it's just because that's all the device really lets it do. So we're going to try some other things, and as you can tell, I actually switched to a lower one, a lower block, and these kind of have different speeds and capacities, I think, but we'll try charging up an actual charging block, and again, that's already kind of maxed out. So it's not going to do a very good job of speed, so apologies for that. But I know that I have another big block that I just got that should get into about 30 as well as it charges up. Oops. Oh, that's already at 50. So this one's going much faster. So this thing is cranking at a much better pace. And I don't know if that's because we're in the 65 watt or not, but let's go ahead and try the really high 140 watt and see what we can do as far as speed. So far this thing is awesome. It does promote obviously high speed charging, which is great. And it's just that you got to have devices that accept that, and so far I don't. So we're seeing what we can do, and I'm very excited about this as of right now. And so it looks like it's going to peak at about 60. I'm going to take another cord here and see if we can charge two things at once. And I'm assuming we can with no issue. Yep, we're charging that. So. That works out nicely, and that was showing that we were actually, so it's showing all the capabilities. So as you notice, it goes up doubly. So I'm going to plug in my my laptop here. I've got an Acer laptop. We'll plug that in as well and see what kind of speeds we can get up to here. It sounds like it's already charged up, but we got pretty good speeds here. So plug this one back into the Microsoft. Sorry, struggling there a bit to get it in. We'll see what the speeds are for that. So very fast speeds. So this thing is awesome if you're looking for something that can handle multiple devices. The only downfall that you might experience is that it's got to be a USB-C coming out. So it's C to C a lot of times. So if you don't have USB-C to C cables, you will need to get some. There's only the one USB-A solution here. So what we'll do is try that too. All right, so I got that plugged in and just showing you kind of what we got. We're plugging that into the phone. And we'll zoom back in. So we're at 104 watts kicking out. So this thing alone, let's take it down just to kind of showcase what this will do. That's at 1.6, which is not very exciting, admittedly. It, I guess, can go up to, I don't know, a faster speed, but it's not really doing a great job of it. Let's see how it does going into this. Yeah, so the USB-A to USB-C is still kind of slow. 4.5 watts, 4.6. So not a fan, but luckily, again, I've got all these other USB-C chargers, so I'm going to be able to charge up a lot of devices, a lot of power, packs and stuff like that. So to me, totally worth buying. Hopefully this demonstration showed you what its capabilities are, what works best, all that stuff. To me, what you need is a good USB-C to USB-C cable that can handle a lot of wattage to go through. And of course, the devices that you're charging need to have high speed capacities as well. But totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.